Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So yesterday, if you guys remember, I did a poll on YouTube and also in WhatsApp asking what I need to unbox in the upcoming 2 weeks. So you guys voted for, I think most of them are actually voted for Tomicas, both mainlines and premiums. So we did a lot of Tomica, mostly premiums and a few mainlines sometime back. So let me show you a few here. So as you can see here, the Lamborghini Diablo here, the Miura Jota and the Essenza and 2022 Countach and 25th anniversary edition Countach, the Colorado, and here if you see the Nissan GTR and the Subaru, all these are actually from Tomica, and there is one more. Uh, I don't know where. Yeah, here it is, the Toyota GT 2000. So all these are actually from Tomica. So we unboxed some time back. So I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to unbox in the next 2 weeks. So here's just a snippet of it. It's a Subaru. That is fairly easy. This is Toyota Supra Premium. Toyota GR86. We do have the GR86 in Majorette version, so that was really nice. Sun Mountain DBX. So this one I personally liked because it looked really funny, but it is actually a real life car. And here is another premium Bugatti Veyron. So Jeep Wrangler. So another premium Mitsubishi Pajero. So I actually bought all the premiums of this year, which actually launched in India. So this is Toyota GR Supra. So this is actually the BMW i4. So those guys, stick to some sticker there, so I can't able to show you. So the Honda NSX, I don't know if I showed this already, but here it is. It's a Mitsubishi Fuso. And this is a Hyper Mist Blower by Naha. Okay, these are things I'm going to unbox in the upcoming days, so stay tuned guys. And I need your support to do all these things, so subscribe and support me. And as always, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Goodbye.